Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Strawberry Tres Leches Cake. So let's get started. To make the strawberry compote, wash the strawberries and place them onto a cutting board. Then cut off the green part. And cut each one into quarters. Then place them into a large saucepan and add in the sugar and salt and place the saucepan onto the stove over a medium heat. Stir the ingredients to combine them. Then cover it with the lid and heat it until it's heated through and it starts to boil, stirring it occasionally. Once it's boiling, keep it over the heat for another 20 minutes until it reduces in size and thickens. Again, stirring it occasionally. And after 20 minutes, remove it from the heat and pour it into a small mason jar and place it into the fridge until you need it. To make the yellow cake, preheat the oven to 350 degrees, then lightly grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan and set it aside for now. Then in a medium bowl, sift in the cake flour, baking powder, and salt, and sift them into the bowl and whisk them together until they're combined and set it aside for now. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add in the softened butter and sugar and beat them on a medium speed for 5 minutes. Don't beat it on a high speed. Scrape down the sides every now and then to make sure it's mixing evenly. Then add in the eggs one at a time, mixing well after adding each one. And scrape down the sides when needed. And add in the egg yolks, again one at a time, and mixing well after adding each one. And once all the eggs are added, beat the mixture on a medium speed for another minute. Then alternate adding the dry ingredients and milk. Start by adding about 1/3 of the dry ingredients and mix them in by hand until just combined or nearly combined. Mix it by hand and don't use the mixer so you have more control over the mixing. And add in half of the milk, mixing it until just combined or nearly combined. And repeat the alternating process, ending with the dry ingredients. And also add in the vanilla extract. Once all the dry ingredients are added, mix it until it's just combined and you don't see any more flour. Don't overmix the batter. Then pour the batter into the prepared pan. Spread it out until it's even. Then bake it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely. To make the milk glaze, in a medium bowl, add in the evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, whole milk, half and half, vanilla extract, and salt. and whisk them together until they're combined. When the cake is completely cooled, use a toothpick or skewer to poke a bunch of holes into the cake. And then pour the milk glaze all over it. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge overnight so the milk glaze is completely absorbed into the cake. Then remove it from the fridge and spread the strawberry compote all over the top. Then to make the whipped cream, in a small or medium bowl, add in the heavy cream and a little sugar. You can adjust that amount to how sweet you would like it. And add in the vanilla extract and whip it until it forms a stiff peaks, but try not to over whip it. And then just spread the whipped cream all over the top of the Tres Leches cake. And you can serve it whenever you like. If you're not serving it immediately, keep it stored in the fridge. And that's how to make a Strawberry Tres Leches cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.